I don't know how much I've eaten. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So if you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail, I'm going to do first ever mukbang in my channel. So this video, I'm super excited about it. I haven't done any mukbang in my channel before, so yeah, so I'm super excited about this one, and it's about this RAFFAELLO chocolate, and it's really yummy. It's the first time I had it, I was like, wow, like this is by far my best chocolate so far. If you are watching and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe. Subscribe button down there, press the subscribe button and tap that on that bell beside it. In that way you get notified each time I upload a new video. So without any further ado, I want us to jump right into the video. I got them during Xmas period, and I got them quite a lot, and it's just remaining these two, and I thought, why not show you guys this as well, as I want to do my mukbang as well. So here are the ingredients in it. There is coconut, vegetable fat, palm, shea, sugar, almond, skimmed milk powder, milk, wheat flour, and so on. So yeah, without any further ado, I want us to jump right into the video, because I'm so hungry right now. I'm so hungry of it right now. I got this one from Costco wholesale, and I got this smaller one, this like half of this one. And I got this one from Lidl, I think. I'm going to open the bigger one. So it looks like this. Okay. So this is really nice. So when I got it, if you want, you can, they will give you something like this. That's if you ask for it, they will give you something like this, so you can use it to put some for kids. The inside is just like this. You just put like how many you want, like maybe up to, I have right here, and just close it like this. You can give this to someone or your kids, or yeah. So I just thought I should show you guys. So I'm going to, so this is coated with coconut. Mm. 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 This is so yummy. And there is almond. I'll try to break it and show you guys how. This is how the coconut part looks. Mm. So you can see the almond. Mm. Like, this is by far my best chocolate. When I tasted it the first time during Christmas period, I was like, no, this is by far my best, you know. Mm. Mm. I'm going to show you guys the almond in it. You can see this is the almond in it. Mm. Why I like Costco is that you taste something like this before you actually buy it. So they will give you to taste before you can actually buy. I think the first thing I like, also I like coconut so much. One of the reasons why I love it is because of the coconuts that they use to wrap it. I don't know if you can see it well. And then inside it there is a whole almond nut, which I just showed you. So yeah. Mm. So I'm just going to show you guys this one. So they are basically the same thing. This is really nice. I know my kids love it too. Everybody in my family, my husband loves it. I love it. I love it. As you can tell, my husband loves it. My kids, wow. Mm. 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 I don't know how much of eating. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of them. I think I'm going to stop here. I don't really eat chocolate that too much because I watch my weight, so I watch what I eat. In as much as I love it, I don't overeat anything. Like, even if that's, even no matter how sweet that thing is, like no matter how tasty that is, I don't really. Yeah, so we've come to the end of this video. I know I can't finish it. That's too much. I just ate like 8 of them, and yeah, I think I'm super fine. I'm cool. So guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it, because yeah, I don't know if they will still have that in the shop. You might check, and if you see it, let me know what you think about the taste, because it's really nice. If you taste one, believe me, you can't let go until you eat it to your satisfaction. So yeah, we've come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you next time, please give this video a huge thumbs up as well, and subscribe to my channel if you have not, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Peace.